Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into something I've been really excited to share, another cookbook review. This one's called Supper with Charlie Bigham. I was sent this book a few weeks ago and I've gone through it all and tested it out, and today I'm here to break it all down for you before you decide on whether you want to buy it. Before receiving this cookbook, I had not actually heard of Charlie Bigham before, but now I have started noticing his ready meals in supermarkets. So who is Charlie Bigham? He is the founder of a high-end ready meal company known for offering fresh restaurant quality meals designed to be cooked at home. Charlie started the company in 1996 after leaving his corporate job to follow his passion for food. His meals are often found in upscale supermarkets like Waitrose or Sainsbury's. You can find dishes like lasagnas, pies and curries. But I've definitely been noticing a lot more since I got this book. Now, Supper with Charlie Bigham is all about comfort food. Think classic British and European inspired dishes with a bit of a gourmet twist. It's beautifully designed with over 100 recipes that range from easy midweek meals to more indulgent weekend feasts. The book is beautifully designed with full colour photographs that make you want to dive right into the recipes. The first thing I noticed is how approachable the recipes are. They don't need a ridiculous long list of ingredients. And I like how you can make a number of items from one of the ingredients. For example, if you buy a bag of red peppers, you can end up deciding on making any of these following dishes. So if you have any leftovers, you can always make another dish. I like that because you don't end up with too much random ingredients in your fridge. So I tested out a few recipes. First up I tried was Cajun chicken legs with mango salsa. It was a very easy to follow overall. The instructions are pretty clear, the ingredient list was manageable, and the result, well, the house smelled amazing and the flavours were rich and the chicken texture really balanced nicely with the added mango salsa. The only thing here I found questionable was the chicken did not state whether skin needs to be on or off. It looked like it was on in the pictures. What do you think? Next up I tried the parsnips. I really do love roasted parsnips, so I already knew I would like this one, to be fair. Again, easy to make and tastes so good. I could easily eat a big bag of parsnips if cooked in this way. The third recipe I tried was a bashed chicken. Okay, I love my chicken recipes, as you can tell. These were again lovely. I thought I had leftovers, but my husband ate it when I wasn't looking. So definitely make an extra batch if you cook this one. This one, the coating was very generous, so you can easily coat more than half a kg of chicken, even though it just states 300 grams on the recipe. One thing I found about Supper with Charlie is the variety of recipes, even for fussy eaters like myself. You've got everything from seafood to vegetarian options, and even some really standout desserts. Whether you're cooking for yourself, a date night or a family gathering, there's something here for every taste. The recipes are easy to follow, they don't require any crazy ingredients, and the results are pretty impressive. Now, time to share a few drawbacks I found. So when flicking through the recipes, I noticed there's a lot of fish recipes. Now, I'm not really a fan of fish. I'm more of a fish finger type of person. Sorry, Charlie. Also, some of the recipes contained alcohol, so it would have been nice if he could have made some suggestions for alcohol-free alternatives to be more inclusive for people who don't consume alcohol. And some recipes I was very surprised at the ingredients. For example, squid, duck, partridge and rabbit. Rabbit, I'm going to pass on that one. So I'm not a fan of fish. I don't consume alcohol or pork or bacon. So out of the 105 recipes, I was still left with 67 recipes to choose from. So not too bad. So the chapters in this book are: chapter 1, you've got standing up starters and drinks, which had 14 recipes. Second was sitting down starters, which had 11 recipes. The third chapter was mains for 2, 4 or 6, which had 26 recipes. Fourth chapter was mains for many, which had 10 recipes. The fifth chapter is vegetable sides, which has 27 recipes. And the last chapter is puddings, which has 17 recipes. Overall, I did like the approachability of this cookbook. The recipes are accessible without feeling overly basic. Charlie's focus on fresh ingredients and simple techniques makes cooking less intimidating. So if you'd like to have a look at this new cookbook, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to grab a copy for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.